If you want to make thumbnail or UGC ads in just 2 minutes, then this video is exactly for you. Flow AI is a tool which is quickly becoming a game changer for students, creator, designer, and professional globally. And this tutorial I will show you how you can prepare thumbnail and also UGC ads in just few minutes. So without wasting any time, I will show you right now. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you step-by-step process of thumbnail and also UGC ads making. So first search in a Google Flow AI and then click on the first option. So now you can see this is the interface of Flow AI, where you can see there is everything quite simply mentioned. And now you can see an interface. There is option of videos and also image. What you want to create, you can create it from here. Beside that, there is a search bar. You can write your prompt here, and then you can turn your prompt into picture and videos. And also some tools are mentioned over there. At the top there is option from where you can give the title to your project that you are going to prepare in Flow AI. So for example, I give the title Flow AI tutorial. So I'm going to make a picture first. I will create thumbnail. So for that, there is options. I will click on that, create image. Now you can see I can write from text to video, text to picture. So I will click on the option of create image, and then you can see there is further option available out there. If I want to create an landscape, I can go for that. Portrait is also available over there. Beside that, on the right side there is option output per prompt, how many I want, like 2, 3, 4. I can choose it from here. So I have option of 4 as well. So for better understanding, I will click on the 4. So now I have option of Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. So I will click on Nano Banana Pro. And now there is a place where I can write the prompt. So I already prepared prompt by using ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT and Perplexity. So I will simply copy the prompt that I prepared in ChatGPT and will paste in Flow AI. So now I am going to upload the picture that I will use for thumbnail preparation. So I can also use some other picture, but for now I am going to use this one. This is the picture that I also prepared in Flow AI in my previous videos. So after choosing that, I will click on submission, and now you can see this is the output of the prompt. In just few minutes, Flow AI just create 4 thumbnail for me, and you can see all are somehow different from each other. I will click on this one. So now you can see they also give the title make UGC ads in 1 minute. So if I click on that, there is option of download as well. So for example, I am going to do some changes in this one. So you have chatbot where you can write your prompt, and according to that, Flow AI will give shape to your video and to your picture. It's completely on you what you are going to prepare. You can do it from here in just 2 minutes. So for example, I am going to download this one. There is also 2K and 4K option of download is available. So you can do it from here. So for example, I'm going to do some changes in this one. I will click on that. And now there is a place where I can write a prompt. And according to that, Flow AI will change the texture and the shape of my ad. So I will write, and then now you can see they change the color of text from pink to the white. So you can see it's a little bit different from previous one, and also the text was on the top, and in this one this is on the left side. So you can simply download it and use it for further process. If you want to make a video, so you can use this one on video as well. So for video, I will click on the left side, there is option of video. So I will choose video from the top, and now you can see there is option that I choose to create image. I will click here, and now you can see there is option of text to video, frame to video, and ingredients to video. So I will click on frame to video if I want to use picture. And also there is option of text to video. So you can use a prompt that will turn your text to video. So for now I will choose that one. So you can see there is a little bit difference. So I will copy the prompt that I already prepared by using ChatGPT and simply paste and flow AI. So you can also do changes if you want. You can do portrait, landscape, and also there is some options like view 3.1 quality and everything you can choose from here. So it's completely depend on you. So I will paste the prompt that I prepared by using ChatGPT and simply submit. So it will take few seconds and now you will see the video will be ready. So now you can see it's ready. I will play.
This is my love, and I'm obsessed with it. It smells fresh, elegant, and unforgettable. Try my love today.
Resolution, shining, everything is amazing. Believe me, the brightness is amazing. So they just prepared a short ad just according to the prompt that I prepared by using ChatGPT and just simply paste it here. All these are free of cost. You don't need to pay a single penny for that. So I will proceed with the image. So for that I will click on frame to video option and simply paste the prompt that I prepared by using ChatGPT and also the picture that I am going to use in my ad, the picture of model. So I will choose that. So after attachment of picture and pasting of prompt, I will click on allow submission. So now you can see in just few seconds they just create a perfect short video. You can see ad that I can use for my product advertisement and also for social media.
This is my love, and I'm obsessed with it. It smells fresh, elegant, and unforgettable. Try my love today.
Just to see the picture, the quality of the video, and also the information that I mentioned in the prompt. So they just make video very perfectly according to the prompt that I give. So it's really amazing. And also the most important thing is you don't need to pay for that. These tools are free. You can prepare anything if you want. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. See you in next video. Have a good day.